Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block and unblock contact on Imo. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Imo application. Let me open, and from here you need to select any contact. Click on the name, click on three dots on the top right. From here you need to click on block in the bottom. Click on block again. So once you can see that my contact is blocked, now you simply need to click on your person icon on the top left. Here you need to click on security and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on block list, and here you can see an option to unblock. Click on that and click on unblock. So now this person is unblocked. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.